this is Lalia once again from Sanskriti Kolkata, and today we have reached our 849th episode, YouTube Sanskriti Kolkata channel. And this first one, I'll start with a lovely Kani, but let me tell you, today's episode is on beautiful weaving sarees, and that also in affordable range. So the first one is a modal silk Kani weave saree with figures. Now figures is very much in now, especially in Kani weaves. So this is the first one, a lovely mustard yellow color, haldi color actually, with beautiful motifs, figure motifs with animals, birds in this border pallu. And the blouse comes in a jal weave, that also in multiple color resham dhaga and in tissue. So the modal is woven with tissue, and then the weaving has been done all over, gives it a Meena effect and a very, very rich look. The colors in the blouse matches with the color in the border. No buta, lovely lightweight sari, flowy fabric, big palla and water artistic piece. I'll show you some more color options in this, but the weaves will be different from each other. See, this is also in a beautiful tissue border, and see the softness. It's so soft, lightweight here, also very tiny, intricate figure motifs and floral as well. The border design patterns are very, very attractive and new variety. These are knot prints, all weaves, no border, lightweight and ideal for all season. We always use, even though these are not hand woven, we always use premium fabric, and the quality, those who have taken our products, be it handloom, be it parloom, be it semi-silk, semi-tussar, whatever, they have given always positive reviews, and we always tell which is hand woven, which is not. So we are very transparent and honest about the product description. Black color Kani sari with figure weaves. See how beautiful the bird has been woven in this zari, and if you see the reverse side, you will understand this is weave on tissue modal. This is not print, and see the reverse side is also very well finished. Blouse piece comes with buta and zari weave as well. Once again, the achol. Color options for these, this Rani color, lovely piece, and I'll show you closely the weaving part of this. In the border is outlined with zari as well, so it is giving a very, very rich look, and see the blouse piece. Amazing weaving done by our weavers, and this is the pallu, very rich ornated weaving, yet lightweight, flowy fabric and superb color combinations in so many colors, but still it is looking so gorgeous. Usually when there are too many colors, you don't feel like, it looks very clumsy, but look at this, how lovely the color palette is. Just lovely color combination, more blacks for you. So I showed the Rani, and here is the black color of the design. See the butas. Even the butas, the border, the upper border, lower border, blouse, everything is woven. Modal silk Kani from the house of Sanskriti Kolkata. We are a 30-year-old fashion house, and our address 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19 and 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. Whenever my cameraman is focusing the camera on my face. I'm feeling so awkward. Must have seen the aloo on my forehead and my broken nose. Almost I hit the nose in a bamboo randomly. I was walking, crazy me, and I hit myself, the head and the nose. I was bleeding profusely. My makeup artist tried his best to put as much concealer as possible, so thoda sa it is covered, but still it I got a bad bruise in my face, so I don't know, it will take some time to heal. So here is a chutney green color of the modal sari with a green blouse piece, and again Meena weave. Now those who want to avoid figures can go for this because this is all floral. I don't think there is figures in there. Oh yes, there is a tiny dancing lady here. Only a dancing lady, but no animals or birds. Very nice color combination, isn't it? And wow, this is another beautiful biscuit color. Look at this. Again, another new design, Rajasthani motif with this rich blouse piece. Every piece is beautiful. New fresh collection from our Kani Sanskriti Kolkata. Sundays close Monday to Saturday, 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 p.m. at night. Please subscribe to our channel so that you can get regular notifications, because we do not have any fixed time. Last week there were changes in the upload time. It's not that every time I upload on Sundays or Mondays. So please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, all notifications, so that you can see our videos right when we upload. Now moving on to Jamewar. Satin Jamewar Tanchoi sarees without zari. Pastel color. All over weaving in resham. Again, not handloom sarees, but beautiful peachish color with mint green, off-white, light peach, weaving all over. Tanchoi weave in satin Jamewar, beautiful all weave sari, and with a great fall. Amazing combination, not too much color. If you see, it's just all over weaving in shade of peach. And look at the pallu, the blouse piece. It is a beauty. A beauty, beautiful piece. Let me know how you're liking the collection, Sanskriti Kolkata. And we have the tailoring unit in both our branches. So you can do blouse stitching, suits, kurtas, plus size kurtas, dupattas, jackets, blazers, traditional jewelry, all available in Sanskriti, including men's collection in the Cornfield Road branch. This is a nice kesar color, lovely pastel color again. So these weavings, they look very rich. They are without zari, so those who want to avoid zari. And if you see the the intricacy of the pattern, it is lovely. And I'll definitely show you the reverse side. This is the reverse side. So no thread is out. It has a very neat finish. This is, though I always, show the reverse side, but there is some little things that I have to show you, even though this is not handloom. See how well the thread has been embedded. Usually in handloom sarees, there is hand cutting of the thread, so little bit of it comes out. But see here, it is all neat finish. Beautiful, very pretty and soft. And every piece comes with a matching blouse piece, and that too fully woven. This is the second color of Tanchoi Jamewar. Third color, the pista. See the softness of the sari, lovely, soft, flowy fabric. No zari pista with shades of silver gray and silver off-white type, pearl white you can see, and mustard. So इसमें इतना महीन वीव है, कलर कॉम्बिनेशन भी बहुत टोन ऑन टोन है, कुछ ज्यादा कॉन्ट्रास्ट नहीं है, इसीलिए इसका वीव बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है। तो तांचोई जामेवार में हम और कुछ वैरायटी दिखाएंगे। ये जो पहला ऑप्शन था ये विदाउट जरी में है और ये पूरा टोन ऑन टोन में एक सटल बहुत प्यारा सा डिफरेंट लुक दिया हुआ है। तो यही कॉन्सेप्ट, यही स्टाइल में हट के फिर नेक्स्ट वन दिखा रहे हैं, लेकिन उससे पहले आप एक बार इसका ब्लाउज देख लीजिए। अच्छा, तो अब आ गया विद जरी। Tanchoi with zari. Now this is more, you can wear it for weddings, gift for a wedding, it can be a wedding gift option, you can wear it for your special anniversary occasions. Color purple and with rich gold zari. Here also the zari is obviously very prominent, rich gold, and you see the Jamewar weaving, it's purple with navy weaving all over and zari buta. So other than the weaving, we have the zari butas throughout the sari. The blouse piece, just to stand out, see the weaving and the border. So whole concept, when you will wear it with all over zari weave, resham weave and tone on tone blouse with the border, it will look nice. And the color combination, the best part is the color combination, बहुत ही सुंदर rich color combination है। और इसका और एक ऑप्शन हम दिखाएंगे which is in navy। तो ये सारा साड़ीज आपको संस्कृति में मिलेगा, संस्कृति कोलकाता। Regularly we are uploading short videos in Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. We do live also from Facebook and our short videos and reels from Instagram, Facebook. So follow us in our stories, WhatsApp status, restocked items, our reviews, our press reviews, our celeb shoots, collaborations, all these uploaded in stories and WhatsApp status. So please check them out. This is the navy blue color and here is the blouse piece for this. Many celebs are wearing Sanskriti now in promotional shoots, movies. So it's we are humbled and honored. Okay, this is a navy blue color with a gold zari. Next comes the black color and black. Wow, this black is so beautiful because black तो सबको अच्छा लगता ही है, लेकिन ये और ज्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है क्योंकि इसका जो सैटिन वीविंग है उसके ऊपर ब्लैक ऑन ब्लैक वीविंग है, जो तांचोई का कॉन्सेप्ट है वीविंग। तो दिस ब्लैक ऑन ब्लैक वीविंग इफ यू सी माइन्यूटली, देन ऑफ कोर्स द गोल्ड वीविंग इज देयर। सो एक बहुत हैवी लुक, रिच लुक, एक क्लासी लुक दे रहे हैं। ऑब्वियसली यू नो हाउ ब्यूटीफुल ब्लैक ऑन ब्लैक लुक्स। Next, some budget friendly linen based chanderi sari and with a weaving border, bit of ikkat pattern border with florals and butas, comes with a charcoal color weaving pallu and blouse piece. Very summery, lightweight, and it has a texture. Since it's linen, it has a texture. It is cotton base with a bit of chanderi, and then this is the blouse piece. Lovely sari, lightweight with buttas, sober color combination, and you can gift it or wear it yourself when you are looking for lightweight saris. Then this is the brown color, very nice color. That was charcoal, and this is brown, chocolate color, lovely, you know. The blouse will have butta, the sari will also have butta. See the lovely flower butta in zari, and even this zari will be there in the border. This is the reverse side, it's fully woven and it's ikat. Now some Mal Chanderi Korat Jamdani weave. Very sleek border, ideal for office and school, for school teachers also. Comes with a semi-silk blouse piece. This cotton silk blouse with the Jamdani weave and zari border. It is really beautiful, and this fabric is just like silk. If I wouldn't have told you, it just looks like a pure silk, Bangalore silk fabric, but it is semi-silk, cotton silk. And of course, these are not handloom saris, but range-wise, they are really beautiful and lightweight and super comfortable. The weaving, the pattern are all very new, fresh, and also the colors. हर एक कलर इसका हम जितना दिखाएंगे, हर कलर बहुत ही सुंदर कलर है. I was just thinking if I could have, managed multiple pieces, but all our products mostly are single piece. We do not make bulk production. We do not take much pre-orders, because whatever pre-orders, whatever it takes time, and little bit of difference may be there. So we don't want to get into all arguments. So we have many stock in our showroom, and always with so many videos, we are showing so many new varieties. So you will always have something to select from. If you're not getting the sari, if it gets sold out, so please select another piece and give us an option, because we are also giving you so many color options in these. First come, first serve basis. Only after you make the payment, we will confirm your booking. No cancellations, because we are, since we have single piece, we are giving the first person who has booked. So please understand, there is no system of cancellation, but of course we double check and ship. If there's any dispute, we are there to solve the problem. So don't worry, and your invoice will be sent along with the shipment. Every parcel will have a GST full proper bill. Cash on delivery in Kolkata. Outside Kolkata, it will go via courier. Free shipping in Kolkata. But cash on delivery will be additional charge, because the person who goes and comes back takes a service charge which you have to provide. Henna, every color, look at 5-6 colors I'm showing you. Every color is beautiful. Superb border weaving, sleek border with a silkish blouse. The color combination is so pretty. Lavender with burgundy type, purple magenta type color. It's beautiful. And here goes the pearl white with charcoal. Every piece is lovely, and the fabric is so super soft and flowy. That's looking so pretty. Every piece is opened, displayed properly, so that you have no confusion. I'll show you the reverse side of this. देखिए इसका full reverse side, Range wise, these are really beautiful. Now I'll move on to the patola that I'm wearing. I'm wearing a all over woven patola with zari border. This is a tissue zari border and it is all over patola in a monotone. बहुत सुंदर लगा मुझे ये पूरा मोनोटोन में ये ग्रीन कलर. कोई नहीं बोलेगा कि ये हैंड वोवन नहीं है. इतना सुंदर इसका वीविंग है. रेंज वाइज भी बहुत सुंदर है. कंफर्टेबल भी है हम पहनने के बाद, तो बहुत कंफर्टेबल भी है. और इसका ब्लाउज देखिए, फुल मीना के साथ ये ब्लाउज पीस है. कलर विरिडियन ग्रीन, रिच ग्रीन कलर विथ सच लवली patola weaving all over. है ना pretty? And the price of this sari is 5990. 5,990 rupees is this sari price. Patola weaving, complete with tassels. The jewelry set that I'm wearing, 4990. 3 lines of polki finish, and then here is the earring. 4990 is the set. Then I'll show you color options in this. The red. अच्छा, इसमें थोड़ा सा धागा बाहर से आएगा, लेकिन ये चुभेगा नहीं और ये बहुत कंफर्टेबल है. हम पहना है, ये कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो रहे. बहुत ही सुंदर इसका फॉल है. रेंज वाइज भी बहुत सुंदर है. आप खुद पहनिए, किसी को दीजिए, ये सबको पसंद आएगा. Semi-silk semi-silk patola weaving in multiple colors and zari woven border. Every pattern is beautiful, lovely colors, rich finish, bold motifs, and with a lovely blouse piece. If you want your blouses to be stitched, we'll connect you to the tailoring department, 10 to 15 days time. And once the measurement is there in future, you can also virtually give your designs. My team will guide you and we will courier it to you. More green. Lovely green color. This green is very, very rich color. Every color actually is very pretty. Lovely color. And show you more designs and patterns. This is 5,500. More designs and patterns will be there. I'll give you more options to select from. Contrast border. Lightweight ivory tone color with magenta. Gorgeous contrast palla. Number 24. 2 more hanging patolas here. The navy blue color with Rani. $5,990, and here is the blouse piece. $5,990, lovely, lovely piece. And then the green. Again, here comes with this Rani blouse piece, and it will have the border. Price 5,990. So 2 color options with contrast blouse and border. And I displayed mine as well. Now I'll show a semi-silk Paitani weave sari. In Bashanti collection, I had shown the yellow color of this. So many of you kept asking me about colors. Then it was not available, and few colors, whatever we had, was sold out. So we have this Patni woven green tone, light leaf green. This motif will come in the back side of your blouse, and there will be sure two buttas, two buttas in the sleeves. Very sober with munia border. This is the weave, reverse side. So this is the green tone. Now I'll show you some khaddi georgettes. We have shown many georgette, bandhej georgette earlier, and now we have these georgette Banarasi saris, khaddi georgettes, semi georgettes, not handloom. You can understand from the range, but look alike, lightweight, shaded, bandhej Banarasi weave. Fusion sari from Sanskriti Kolkata, and a very soft, very soft blouse piece. Wow. And it's such a good quality that even if you don't give lining in your sleeves, nothing will happen. So color options, look at the fall closely, the weave, bandhej with Banarasi weave, color option, and I'll just show you the border part also. See, we have completed with edging. Back side is folded so that you have a very neat edging here. I will also show you the reverse side to show that this is weaving. It's fully woven. Rich shades blouse piece. The blue. Your feedback is important to us. I keep looking forward to your feedback. Once you receive the sari, please send a note how you liked it. If you're happy, that will make us happy too. Soft, lightweight, affordable, khaddi georgette, bandhej, Banarasi saris in affordable range. Very rich tones today, very rich, gorgeous color combinations. And I hope you like today's budget-friendly collection of weaving saris. We'll be back with another episode very soon. Meanwhile, please do follow us in our social media handles and subscribe to our channel, Sanskriti Kolkata.